Welcome. If you're looking to organize your Telegram chats and keep everything neat and accessible, creating chat folders is the perfect solution. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the updated process of creating a chat folder on Telegram. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main chat screen. Now, look for the menu icon. On most devices, it appears as 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Tap on this menu to reveal more options. From the menu, tap on Settings. You'll find this option towards the bottom of the list. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Chat Folders. Tap on it to access the Folder Management section. Here, you'll see any existing folders you may have, but to create a new one, tap on Create New Folder. This is where the real organization begins. A new screen will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your folder. Think about how you want to group your chats, maybe work, family, or favorites. Type in the name that best fits the purpose of this folder. Next, it's time to select which chats to include. Tap on Add Chats or the relevant button, and you'll see a list of your conversations. Go through and select the chats, groups, or channels you want to add to this folder. You can pick as many as you need, making it easy to keep similar conversations together. Once you've chosen the chats, tap Save to create your folder. That's it. Your new chat folder will now appear as a separate tab at the top of your chat list, right next to all chats. Simply tap on the folder's name to view all the conversations you've grouped together. With folders, you can quickly switch between different types of chats without the clutter. It's a simple way to keep your Telegram organized and efficient. Give it a try and enjoy a more streamlined messaging experience.